Are you looking for that easiest but absolutely healthy and very delicious Ghanaian kontomire or spinach stew made with egusi or akatwa? My goodness, then I got you, because this was absolutely delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe for more videos or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. For us to start with the recipe today, I have my mackerel in my seasoned water. That is water and then salt. Okay, you're just going to leave that there for 10 minutes, and I will wash my spinach very well. You can use kontomire if that is what you want, okay, but we are going to use spinach in this recipe. Whilst that is also on fire, I have my garlic, onion, ginger, and then my pepper. I'm going to add tomatoes to it and then blend that. Now I have my oil on fire. That is jomi, which most of us will call it zomi. Okay, I have added my chopped onions. I'll fry it very well. Now I don't want my onions to become very brown. Okay, I want it not brown. Now I'll go ahead and then add the things I blended and then give this a stir. Sorry about the camera, okay, it was the vapor that made that. So now we are going to give that a stir and then allow that to be on fire. With the tomatoes, it contains a lot of liquid, so it is going to take time for it to for us to add the next ingredient. Okay, but if you want to reduce the liquid, just squeeze out the tomatoes seed and it helps a lot. It also speed up the cooking process. So I'll give that a stir again and then leave it on fire. Now I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes to that. We want some fiber inside, okay, even though the kontomire or the spinach you'll be using will give you the fiber, but we want more, so that is why I added that. You can stay away of from that or omit it. Now fish is ready and I've added that to the stew. I'll give it a stir and then we can proceed. We just want the fish to release its flavor or the juice to the sauce before we add any other ingredients. Thank you, my returning subscribers. You are amazing. I am so grateful that you have been spending some time with me. That is another protein I added, so use any protein of choice and you are good to go. So like I was saying, I am so grateful that you have been spending some time with me. Thank you so much. Please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section and also subscribe or follow if you haven't. Thank you for doing it for me. Now this is how the stew is looking. Absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. Yes, at this moment, set that aside, let it cook. And if you want to pair this with your rice, oh my goodness, just start boiling your rice. We don't want to finish with the stew before we boil the rice. You can as well pair this same stew with your yam. So if it is yam that you want to prepare, just start preparing it. If it is plantains that you want to pair this with, just go ahead and then start preparing it. You can pair it with your bangkong, cocoa yam, anything that you want. Okay, now we will check on the stew, and the stew is doing very well. Now let that be aside. I have my oil on fire. I'm just going to add my egusi or agushi or akatwa that I mixed with some water and then my salt. I'm going to fry that very well and then we can proceed. Thank you once again for your time. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. Trust me, you will love it everywhere. Now this is how the egusi or agushi is looking. Okay, it looks absolutely delicious already. If you want 3 videos, I mean, we have 2 YouTube channels, and one we use the local dialect. The name is Recipe Goddess, so please follow us on YouTube at Recipe Goddess for the recipe in tree, and trust me, you will love it. Now I will make sure I fry this very well before we proceed with the cooking process. Now this is how it looks, and our agushi or egusi is ready. If you want it a bit dry, you can go ahead and do so, but I want it this way, so we are done with it. Let's check on the stew, and trust me, the stew is doing good. The spinach is also ready. We are going to add it to the stew and then give that a stir before we add any other ingredients. Trust me, this, oh my goodness, the person fell in love with it and she asked for more. So trust me, try this recipe and you are going to enjoy it. If you want to add any seasoning to your stew, you can go ahead and do so. If you want to add any salt to it, you can go ahead and do so. I actually add my fish to the stew early because I seasoned it myself, and when they release their taste to it, I always prefer allowing them to release their taste or their juice to the stew before I add any seasoning to it, okay, so that the food will not become salty. Now if you want to add the seasoning or anything salt, you can go ahead and then do so. Just look at that, we have added our fried egusi or agushi, and oh my goodness, at this moment I am craving for my yam. I don't joke with my yam, okay. Now I tasted and it wasn't enough, so I've added my seasoning. Yes, I heard that you can pair this with your bangkun, and it is so good. I have not tried it before, I don't remember, but I will give that a try. So try it and let me know, okay. Now our stew is ready, and this is how it looks. Just look at that, absolutely delicious, mouth-watering, and trust me, you will love it. So try this recipe and let me know the outcome. So I come your way next time. Always remember that I love you. Please take good care of yourself, and then love yourself first. Oh, of course, love yourself first, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.